Sounds like he's moving. Jeremy's asleep right now. There's decorations. While you were asleep.
I love it.
You know what it stands for, right? What it represents.
Diva.
Diva, yeah.
Is that the only one?
If you want more, there's another one.
I gotta have it matched on the other side.
So Jeremy liked his sticker so much, he's asked me for another one, and luckily, for whatever reason, I have spares in the back of my Jeep. So here you go.
Diva, baby.
Let's see you put it on.
Alright, let's go to the other side. Is this thing weatherproof and everything?
I have no idea.
Is it gonna last?
Again, I have no idea. It was 88 cents.
Oh, baby. I have to get some lipstick to match. Do a selfie next to it. Thanks, boys.
Looks good. So this is an awesome little campsite that we have right on the edge of the Cumberland River, about 2-3 miles up from Cumberland Falls. It is really peaceful out here. The only sound we have is the sound of the flowing water going right past our windows as we were camping last night. Well, we didn't get far, did we?
This isn't even the one I was worried about going back. I believe my step is stuck in that butthole there. That mud line.
We should be able to take care of that. Dirt pile right there. It's gonna pull right out, I believe.
Just gone past Cumberland Falls and we are picking up the Kentucky Adventure Tour, heading north. Just turned onto it. We're going to see how far north we can go today. We didn't make it far.
We're going really fast down this pothole road, and we hit some potholes hard enough to break off the bolts that I had, the self-tapping screws that I had holding this on. So now I'm going to rip it off of there because I'm tired of it coming loose and rubbing my tire like that. Looks good. Thank you. I won't hurt you, Rob.
I'm gonna stand on the other side of the trailer.
We got
Tell me about Jeremy.
He's our special friend.
On each side.
What's he known for?
That good.
Hurting himself, being destructible to things, breaking things. I don't know what you call it.
breaking body parts.
Body parts, especially.
While waiting, I enjoyed the peace of the national forest. I'm worried if I try and pass him, they'll dash out in front of me. We continued north along the scenic Kentucky Adventure Tour until we came across a small bridge. A bridge that swayed as we walked across.
So there's-
GVWR right there, gross
Yeah.
vehicle weight,
Yep.
6150 pounds.
Yeah.
And then weight limit, you can see it right there, 3 tons. Obviously, my loaded Jeep was not a gross weight, but with the trailer behind me, I may have been approaching 3 tons. West was my biggest concern. The LX470 has an unloaded weight of 5,600 pounds. Along the Kentucky Adventure Tour, there is a deep water crossing. We nominated Rob to check it out.
I think we can make it.
The rest of us weren't so sure, so we turned around and headed to a nearby mine that we'd visited earlier in the year. So we're at the mine that Jeremy and Rob wanted to camp in tonight, and you can easily fit tens of vehicles in there and drive around to reach the caves, but unfortunately someone has spread thousands and thousands of nails throughout the entrance. It looks as though it's been done intentionally, and we're not going to risk puncturing tires driving in.